This is Flux 6112. Let's do this thing 5 times. Here we go. You're going to go right out the front. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck, all. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is the Sacramento Kings. Bottom team is the Grizzlies. That's 5 times. Get rid of the randomizer. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck, all. I don't get how they don't have a uniform policy over what to do when somebody's not home. I don't get why my post office sends everything to the post office and Bailey's does, yet Marzi's and everyone else's gets left at the front door. Like, it makes no sense. Zero sense. Here we go. Flux 612. Nice way to start for the Pacers. Sabonis, number 275. The nice nebula design. Michael Porter Jr., Lou Williams. Yeah, Matt W's gets taken to the office. Rookie influx. Nice, LaMelo Ball. Jamal Murray, LaMelo Ball. Jeez, it's a LaMelo party all of a sudden. What? Who's that? No, I'm kidding. Kristen's taking him out. Yeah, okay. Doug Brooks for the Grizzlies. Dylan Brooks, numbered 1 of 75. Doug Brooks. Has Damo left again yet? Yeah. Tyrell Terry incoming. Sean Tate. Blue, Josh Hart for the Pelicans, numbered 50, 87 and 99. Daniel Thies, Jonas Valanciunas. Zion. Silver Giannis, nice one there for the Bucks. Rookie influx, Desmond Byrne. Josh Green. Fluid, Clint Capella. James Wiseman. Nice Bailey. Naz Reid. And Troposphere on Yeko Kongwu. That's a boss one. Silver, Peyton Pritchard. Darius Garland, Troposphere. Silver, CJ Ellaby. Red Miles Bridges for the Hornets, unnumbered. Reggie Perry. It is to just 10. The Gold Shimmer Auto for the Magic. Chuma Okeke, Ultraviolet. Big Chuma O. Silver, Penny Simons. Kawhi Leonard, Garrett Temple. How's it going over there, Dan? Oh, nice. You got that list for me? Red, Jason Tatum. Nico Mannion. Flow Motion, Isaiah Thomas. Chris Paul for the Mavericks. Jalen Brunson, Ultraviolet. Silver, RJ Barrett. Draymond Green, Kyrie Irving. How do you know Dan's a nice guy? He could be terrible. He's not, but he could be. Caleb Martin incoming. John Moran, Precious. Silver, Kyrie Irving. Laurie. Silver incoming, Xavier Tillman. Yeah, Chuma Okeke, very prevalent. Theo Maladon, just quietly. Just in case anyone was wondering, there's a lot of Chuma Okeke. Silver rookie in Flux, just Sean Tate. I'll be topping. Oh, now it's Vortec. Hit the bricks, Brandis. Something was off of that one. I reckon that one was fake. Brandis. It's like Candace. Fluid, Nikola Jokic.
Who's Candace playing?
This one was Brandis.
Oh, who's Brandis?
Brandy's Blue, Dante DiVincenzo. Alex Caruso, Daniel Turu. The Dante numbered 45/99. Jeez, Chargers is getting injured. Silver, Marcus Smart. I'd rather have a broken ankle than play for them in this game, that's for sure, Giannis. Brandis Cal. Rookie influx, RJ Hampton. Looks like you've handled Dale's request pretty well, Tabby. Steph Curry. Desmond Brown. Yep, you've nailed that one. And Gabe Vincent.
Jeez, didn't he have a game yesterday?
People are talking about how good he is. I've not watched any games, so did you watch it?
No.
Silver Jakob Poeltl. You just heard that it was good.
I just see a stat line. I'm like, oh yeah, okay.
What was his stat line?
28 points, 7 boards, or 7 assists, or something like that.
Oh, nice. Number to 25 for the Raptors, Kyle Lowry. Gorgeous. Marcus Smart. Hi, buddy. If he's going to free him, just close the door so he can... LaMelo Ball incoming. Killian Hayes. Mesosphere! Emmanuel quickly. Mesad. I'm not doing it. Just Sean Tate for the Rockets. Misa, no bother with that one. No, Luke. Red, Gary Harris. No new location, just Tyrell Terry. Let her eat lunch, you dog. Yeah, dog. Magic Johnson, Flow Motion. Jimmy Butler, Dennis Smith Jr. Silver Fluid, nice. James Wiseman. Zach LaVine, Sam Merrill. One sec, sorry. What happened to Claxton? He seems fine. Oh. Rookie, Emmanuel quickly. Silver rookie, nice. Cole Anthony. Can we score ourselves an auto in the last one? The answer is no. It's Donovan Mitchell for the Jazz, and that is Flux. 6112 done.